Hi guys, this is Isa and welcome back to my channel PrintStick. In today's video, I will give you a full overview of what the brand new Pastel Planner number 2 includes. So happy to have you back here, guys. I know it's been forever since I uploaded a video, but I finally have one ready to share with you. This time I have updated the Pastel Planner number 2, and actually there are 3 brand new color options. This one is one of them. It's called Colorful. It has a bright blue background with bright purple covers, and the color of the tabs has been changed to more bright colors as well. So this is going to be the first page in your planner, and as you can see, it's just all blank. The idea is that you add your preferred cover to this page. You can add widgets, you can decorate, add notes, anything you need, and then you can change this as often as you need. The cool thing about this is that you can very easily add whichever cover you prefer, and you can update this as needed. You can get free covers with this planner. I'm going to leave the link below so you can go check them out. Now, regarding the buttons at the bottom here, I will tell you what they are. This first one is the first page of the planner, so if we tap on it, nothing happens because that's where we are right now. Then you will get to your regular index page, and I say regular because this was already included in the Pastel Planner number 2. This time we also have a different index that I will show you in a second. But to go back to my front page or my cover page, I can tap on the top part of the spiral, and that's going to bring me back here. The bottom button will actually take me to this new index that I mentioned a moment ago, and the way this works, this is similar to the one included in the Pro Planner that a lot of you guys were very excited about, so I decided to add one in this planner as well. So basically every square is a blank section, and then in this section you get this little arrow to go back to this index, and I will have to make other videos to show you how you can use this. I like the idea of having squares that you can decorate and customize instead of having the index in the form of a list, which is a little more plain and boring, and you know I like things to be fun. So that's what this index is. So as you can see, you have a ton of different sections to fill out with your custom information. As you can see, I have the same buttons here as I do on my cover page. And another thing I want to say, once you are with the planner open, so you get these pages and the spiral, you can also access that second index by tapping on the bottom part of the spiral here. So that will open this index when you have the planner open. Okay, continuing with my buttons, I have a page that has dots here, and then I have a page that is ruled, so I'm gonna show you. I click here and I have a page with dots, and when the planner is open, then the buttons change. So I have the same buttons, but they're located down here. So I have my ruled page, I have my graph page, and I have an all blank page. These are pages that you can copy and add to any blank section or whatever you need them. I'm gonna go back to my cover page, and these are the grid papers that we just saw: dotted, ruled, graph, and all blank. And then we get 2 more buttons that I will show you in a second, but at the bottom here we have the months. This planner can run from either January to December, so January, February, March, etc., or it can also run from July to June, so July, August, September. That's entirely up to you which version you prefer. The only difference is where the months are going to be located in the planner, but either version contains the same 12 months. So of course, if I click on a month here, that's the spread that is going to open. Once the planner is open, as you can see, I also have my monthly tabs over here, so I can easily jump to a different month. Okay, gonna go back to my cover one more time so I can show you these last 2 buttons. This first one is just like a dashboard. I copied this idea from the teacher planner, and I personally love making lists, so I find this method great. For example, I can keep one square to keep a list for people I need to call, another square for things I need to buy, another square for chores I need to get done around the house, etc. So you can divide your errands and pending items in this page. I'm going to go back to my cover, and finally I will show you the calendar page, which is in fact blank. And that is because you will be able to download and add a yearly calendar that you will be able to download for free after you purchase this planner. So to do that, you will have to go to your info page, which is located to the left of the index page, and the index page is located here in the middle of the spiral. And to the left, you have this info page. So here you have this link, and you will get a code that you can add at checkout to download for free. So I'm gonna show you. Tap on this link, you click on yes. That will take you to this page on the website where you can purchase the yearly calendar to add to your planner. You can update this every year, every time you need it. So the planner will truly be a reusable planner for many years to come. So for this particular planner, you can add the version that says Vita. That will fit your page best. So add that to cart, and when you are checking out, you have to enter here the discount code that is included in your info page within the planner. Doing that will make the price go to zero, so you don't have to pay anything. Now, it might take a minute for your order to appear here, but once it's loaded, you will be able to download the calendar right from this page. Otherwise, you can check your email inbox as well as your spam folder to find the link to download. Once you click on download now, what I'm going to do is just save this as an image. So click on the share or export icon here on the top right, the little box with the arrow pointing up, and scroll down until you find this option that says save image. There we go. So my calendar is saved and ready to use. Once you have your calendar saved to your photos, you can just go to your calendar page or tap on this little icon here, and that will take you here. And then use your image tool to bring in the photo, which is right here, and all you have to do is adjust the size, so make it bigger somewhere there. And I have set up my calendar for July 2020 to June 2021. As I said, you will be able to update this, so by December I might just go ahead and get the full January to December 2021 calendar, so I have my calendar running from January to December. And let me continue with the little tour. So after this page, you get this dashboard that I showed you already. Then you get to your months, which again you can access by tapping on these tabs on the left side. Now, what's really special about this planner, just like with the Pro Planner, this is fully linked. So you get months, weeks, and days all linked throughout the planner. This comes undated. You can choose to have a Monday start or a Sunday start, and keep an eye out for my following videos where I will show you how I add my days of the week and how I date my planner. So basically here in this gray bar is where you would write down the days of the week, and of course in your columns is where you would enter the dates. I actually have a little sample I made for you, so I'm going to open my month of August, and as you can see I have added my day stickers here. And all these dates and weekday stickers come in the dates sticker book that I'm gonna link below. You can actually get a deal if you get both the planner and the sticker book together. You can see the bundle deal under the listing that I'm going to link below. But after you've added your dates and your days, you'll notice that if you tap on the top right corner of each daily box, in this case where I have placed my numbers, I will open that particular daily spread. This is what a daily spread looks like in the Pastel Planner number 2. You get one daily spread for every single day of the year. Now you have some cool buttons over here. For example, you have your arrows that will allow you to quickly and easily scroll through the days. Okay. Of course, you will start adding the date for which this spread is being used. You can do that in this space provided over here. And another cool thing here is that if you click on this arrow, you will go back to the week that that daily spread belonged to. Again, you have your arrows, so you can navigate the weeks of August, and you can either tap on the tab that says AUG for August, or you can just tap on the label here August, and that will bring you back to the monthly calendar. Now you have daily spreads, and as I mentioned, you also have weekly spreads. And one more thing, if you go to your monthly spread, you also have this little buttons or tabs here on dark gray on the right side, and those buttons will open each of the weeks. So if I want to go to the week of August 17th to August 23rd, I just have to tap on this dark gray button, and that will open that particular week. Now here, of course, I have added the dates myself already. These are all stickers included in the dates sticker book, so you can use those if you want. But of course, the week will come completely blank like this. One more thing about this planner, you get 3 different options of weekly spreads. Let me show you the 3 styles of weekly spreads that you can choose from. You do have to select only one style, and that is the kind of page that you will get for every week in the planner that you purchase. So this is the 3rd style, or style C, which includes hourly slots running by the hour from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. And you do have an extra slot at the beginning and at the end, so you can, for example, if one day you need to wake up at 4 a.m., then you can use this slot to enter that particular time. This is the next weekly spread option, which is option B, and it just includes white columns. You can customize however you like, and it does have a little box at the end of each day, which you can use for things that happen constantly. For example, you can use this to track your work hours, you can use this to track your expenses, or the main meal of that particular day. And finally, we get to the original weekly spread included in the Pastel Planner number 2, which is these columns divided by 3. You get a header and a box. You can use this to write down things that happen in the morning, afternoon, and evening. And you do get some space for notes down here. And don't forget, although you can't see the links, if you tap at the top here, that will open each day. So after all of the months, weeks, and days included in the planner, so I'm at the last day of the month of December. If I scroll left, I get to my blank sections, and these sections are always available throughout the planner by tapping on these tabs on the right. As you can see, as I tap on them, the tab is selected and the page opens. Now, these are blank sections that you can use for whatever you need. And the way that I recommend using these is to use your index to label these tabs and know what's included in each section. Many people ask if you can label the tabs, and yes, you can. I actually have a full video showing you how to do that. However, this is a really large planner. It has more than 600 pages, and if you wanted to label the tabs, you would have to do so on every single page of the planner, which I honestly don't recommend doing in such a big planner. So what you can do is go and use your index. As you can see, you have space that ends in each tab, so you'll know which section is which. And when you're in doubt, for example, I'm in July and I cannot remember which tab is for finance, I just click in the middle part of my spiral, and then I'll be able to find which of these is finance. So of course here you can just use your pen tool to write down any sections that you might need. And that's what this index is for. Okay, so after my last tab, if I keep scrolling, I will get to my pattern papers, which we saw already. You have dots, and the next page is going to be my rule page. Then you get your graph paper. As you can see, the buttons here are lighting up. And finally, I get my all blank spread. If I keep scrolling, I will get to an all gray spread, and I use this page to add white stickers. I'll show you in a second how it works. Sometimes you have white stickers or very clear stickers that you cannot see on a white background. That's why having a gray page is helpful. It will allow you to see your stickers. If we keep going from here, we will get to our pages without tabs. I have been told in the past that some students or people who like to write a lot and keep a lot of pages for notes, they don't want the distraction of the tabs. So I have included a set of pattern papers that don't have tabs. So you get a dotted page, rule page, graph page, and all blank page, just like the ones you have linked below here. And if you keep scrolling, we get to this second index, which, if you recall, you can also access from your cover page. Let me activate my links, and to do that, I'll tap on this pen icon on the top right, go to my cover page, and that is the last button that will take me here. And after my last blank section from this second index, this is the end of the planner. Before I end this video, I do want to show you all of the color options that you can choose from. If you have seen this planner in the past, this is the original color combination, which is a purple background with teal covers, this dark version with a dark blue background and gray covers, a lime version with yellow covers on a lime green background, a mustard option with mustard covers on peachy orange, this night version with a dark background, kind of like black, with bright blue covers, peach, which is dark gray and peach, pink, which is bright pink background with black covers, the rose version, which is a very soft peach pink background with pink covers, teal is teal background with black covers, original, which is the original color of the Vita planner, not the pastel planner number 2, but that is the name of the color, just so you know. It's very light gray background with black covers. And the new colors this year are mint, which is mint background with teal covers. This is the colorful version that you have seen throughout the video, and you get a bright blue background with bright purple covers. Bright, which is a yellow background with purple covers. The tabs, of course, are also changed. They are the same colors as the colorful version. This is another new color, and it's just gray, so you have a dark gray background with dark covers, and the tabs are also switched to gray. So that's it for this video. I hope that you learned all you need to know about the pastel planner number 2, but if you have any questions, drop me a comment. I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Remember that you get awesome deals when you bundle up with stickers and widgets, fonts, etc. So I'm gonna leave the link below where you can check out all those bundles. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up to let me know. And if you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to do it and turn on the notifications so you know when my next video is out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.